Hello, dear learners. Welcome to our intervention program in English 8. By the way, this is Teach Lindy who will help you learn the skill in this topic. Also, after watching this video, I hope you will come up with better judgment or formulate good conclusion about a reading selection or a reading text or article. This will also help you in your daily life, especially in decision making. But before we proceed with our lesson, let us know first the objectives of this video lesson. So we have three objectives here. The first one is to define what synthesizing is. Next, to differentiate synthesizing from summarizing. And the last one is to give the steps in synthesizing a text. And I hope after this video lesson, let us try to test ourselves if we learn these objectives in this video lesson. What summarizing a text is from synthesizing a text. As you can see on the screen, summarizing a text is a process of retelling what happened in the text or what the text is about. The second one, it also narrating the sequence of event in the text. What about synthesizing a text? Okay, so what is synthesizing? Or why is it different from summarizing? Let us find out the meaning of synthesizing, which is our lesson in this video. So from the prefix syn, it means putting together. Look at the image on the screen. It's just like a puzzle that you connect. The same thing with synthesizing. You connect ideas. Synthesizing means combining ideas from the background knowledge, newly learned ideas, connections, inferences, and summaries into a complete understanding of the text. So how do you do that? Let us see the diagram. So there is the text, the background knowledge, the new ideas from other sources, the inferences, and summaries. So, how do you do this? What is the process of synthesizing a text based on the diagram? So we have four steps. First is the text. This could be the reading material assigned by your teacher, or this could be any reading material that you have at home, or a reading material which you have seen from Google. Next, what are you going to do with the text? You are going to activate your prior knowledge. And that is answering the question, what do I know about the topic? Then, after giving your own ideas of what you know about the topic, you should also do some research so that your ideas will be strengthened by the facts or evidences that is taken from other sources. And what are these other sources? Other sources could be other printed materials that discuss the topic, or, yeah, Mr. Google. And then, after reading the text, you have shared what you know about the topic, you have made your research about the topic, you are now ready to make a theory or write your conclusion or make the synthesis of the reading material or the reading texts. Okay, this time, let us recall what you have learned from this lesson. So, I prepared 3 questions. Question number 1 is, what are involved in synthesizing a text? A. Prior knowledge about the topic. B. Other sources that discuss the topic. C. A conclusion based on facts and evidences. And D. All of the above. If you have chosen letter D, yes, your answer is correct. It's all of the above. Next question. Which of the following skills give a reader to express his or her opinions about the text? A. Summarizing. B. Synthesizing. C. All of the above. Okay. If your answer is letter B, you are correct again. You're learning fast, eh? Last question. What will a reader gain if he or she knows how to synthesize a text? A. The ability to give good judgment based on facts and evidences. B. The ability to formulate better conclusion based on facts and evidences. C. All of the above. Well, if your answer is letter C, give yourself a warm of applause. You got it right again. You're doing good. I hope you really know the answers for the questions I posted in this video lesson. So, what are the benefits of knowing how to synthesize a text? 1. You can give your own point of view about the text. 2. You can learn new ideas from other sources. 3. You will be able to produce an original work. And lastly, you will enjoy reading. Yes, I hope I was able to give you a good lesson which you will learn and apply in your next reading activities with your teacher in English. So, from this, I'd like to say good day and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you again!